What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. It is sunny but a little windy today in Oregon, but hey, the sun's out and that's all that matters. So today we're just gonna have a fun little ride on the KLX. Sorry I missed Tuesday's upload. I was a little busy with school and taking tests and whatnot. So today, like I was saying, I'm just going to take you guys along some of my favorite roads to ride around here and just to have some fun. So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jeff and this is my KLX 250. On the channel as well is a 2005 C6 Corvette, and pretty much what I do is just have fun and do what I want with these two great pieces of machinery, I'll say. Whether that be riding around the city, practicing wheelies, doing some urban exploring, taking a drive on a windy road, high-speed runs, pulls, whatever it may be, that's what I do. So if you are new and you want to keep up with my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I think about 80% of you guys watch my videos and are not subscribed. The other 20% obviously are. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some fun. So a little update for you guys again on the parts. One part arrived on, I believe it was Monday or Tuesday, and the other part that I ordered is supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So the next video should include one of those new parts, so you have that to look forward to. One of the things I'm curious about is, what are you guys here for? Are you guys here for the KLX content? Are you guys here for some entertainment and motovlogging? Are there any Corvette guys out there? I know most of you guys who comment on these videos are KLX guys, but I'm wondering if there's anybody who's just out there looking for some good old-fashioned entertainment on a motorcycle, or yeah, I don't know. What are you guys here for? Go ahead and comment down below. Like I said, I know most of you guys are here for the KLX content who comment on these videos, so as long as you guys are enjoying the videos, I guess that's all that matters. Are you guys here to see me make a fool of myself learning wheelies? Or yeah, I don't know. Just let me know. While you're at it, if you guys want to see anything else with some of the things I have on the channel, go ahead and let me know as well. And I will try and make that happen for you guys. Alright guys, here we are on one of my favorite cruising roads. I like being in areas that are kind of, I don't know how to describe it actually. I guess I find myself at the mall and the shopping centers a lot, so I don't know, populated areas. I guess it's really wherever I feel like riding, and something that's visually pleasing to the eye. It's fall, so There's some nice colors out around here. Also have some nice corners around here. As you guys can see, I guess it is kind of the just good place to ride around. Visually pleasing to the eye. And as long as you can carry some good speed, I guess that's what it's about. Alright, gotta go around this roundabout once. Alright, now we're in our residential area, kinda. And we are gonna ascend the hill. I wonder how hard it would be to do a stoppie uphill. That's gonna be something I'm gonna have to find out at another time. Ah, speed bumps. Here we go. Here we are to another place of mine. This road is a straight road, but off to the side there's some construction areas. So I like to go over here and see what's up. Today's a weekday though, so there's probably going to be some workers there. But figured it's worth a shot. See what we got going on. After all, today is all about just having fun and riding the motorcycle. I guess my tire can squeak. So, does not look like there's any workers here today. I guess this is technically a legal street if they plan on making it a residential area. Kind of backed it into the corner over there. First time I've really done that. It wasn't on purpose. Just kind of trying to get a quick stop. Whoa. This area looks cool. Last time I was here, I didn't go all the way back. But it's just a big gravel pit. This is nice. Let's do a little once around here. Make sure that I'm not going to bother anyone too much. But looks like it's all closed off to me. That's a big garage right there. I think this is a good spot to take a picture. Would you look at that? 800 miles on the dot. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get out of here. Alright, that was fun. Got a little bit of the rust off going off-road. Haven't been off-road in a while since the last time I went to the forest, but I would say that was definitely some good practice. It'd be nice if they wouldn't start construction on that for a while, so that way I can continue to go there. But we will see. Today's a weekday, so if they were doing construction on it, I would expect them to be there. It's before 5 o'clock, so maybe I'll get lucky and be able to go there for a little bit. Alright, we're probably going to hit one more road. Alright, 10-mile-an-hour corner. I know I've gone through it a lot faster at 10 miles an hour in my car. That corner will definitely sneak up on you if you're not careful. Let's go check out this new neighborhood, shall we? Wow, nice view of some houses. Stupid signal. Turn that thing off. Well, this construction area isn't as much fun because the road's already paved. But I guess it's still a nice area while there are not houses here. Got some groove pavement there. Almost bottomed out my car on that. That little bump there because they're getting ready to pave this road. This groove pavement does not feel comfortable. Anyways, almost bottomed out my car because going the other way on this road, they do not have it marked that there is a bump. And my car is quite low. Jesus, this pavement's like riding on gravel. Not cool, man. Not cool. Let's get off of this. There we go. Ah, fresh asphalt. See, right here going the other way, there's a bump and it's not marked. I was turning left going the other way, and I almost destroyed my front bumper because they didn't have a sign out there saying there was a bump. I guess I should look out for those sort of things with my car, but it'd at least be nice if they marked it. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for this video. I gotta get back and edit this. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. A little bit of urban exploring and just having fun on the KLX. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Share the video to those who may enjoy it. And also subscribe if you are not already. We're getting close to 200. I think as of right now, we're only 18 away. So, with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.